We hope you have been getting tons of reviews using Fluent Forms, and it's time to start showcasing those on your website. How? Well, it's actually even easier than the integration. Let's get to it. We'll start at the WPSocialNinja dashboard and click on Templates. Hit the Add New Templates button and select Add Review Template. On the next screen, choose Fluent Forms as the template source, and all the reviews collected through Fluent Forms will be added to your feed. You'll get two options on your right, General and Style. Let's start with the General. Since we have already selected the source, click on Templates. Here you can customize the reviews in the best possible ways. Multiple options are available to choose from. And you can also choose the layout type and how many columns you want to use. Slider gets its own option named Slider. If you go with grid or masonry, you will get pagination. You probably have tons of good reviews and some bad ones, and you shouldn't want your prospect to see the bad ones, right? WPSocialNinja lets you choose the reviews you want to show. You can filter your reviews by ratings, include or exclude something, show or hide reviews containing some exact words, according to business or products, according to category. Last but not least, you can hide reviews that are just ratings. There is another option for filtering the reviews, approving them one by one. Stick around to find out how. Rather than being complex, settings are, to be honest, the easiest part of this video. Almost all the toggle buttons are self-explanatory. You can choose the rating style, content type, and trim excerpt words. Play around with these until your reviews look good enough even to convince you to buy your own product. Toggle equal height if you want all your reviews to appear at the same height, and so on. Header is the next element. You see all this stuff right here? Depending on your taste, you may conceal or reveal the banner, name, number of followers, and each individual element. Toggle each option to know how you like your header. Click on Styles and toggle the Enable button to get started with styling. As promised, we'll show you all the customizing options starting with the headers. Click on it to edit the header elements. From the drop-down, you can customize the text color and typography of almost every section of your feeds. Pick a color that speaks on behalf of your brand. No matter what color it is, you'll get that color in the color sections. Once you're happy with the colors, click Typography. Change the size, font, weight, style, spacing, and everything else from this menu right here. You can even customize the review box. You'll also get to change the look of the reviewer name, author position, title, content color, etc. To ensure a great user experience on different devices, switch devices from the top. Fix if anything looks odd. Adjust the positions of the reviews according to devices if needed. Try around with the style options until you're satisfied with how the reviews look. Well, that's a wrap up. If there is a new review, WPSocialNinja will automatically fetch it. But wait, almost forgot. WPSocialNinja lets you approve each review manually. How? Head over to the settings of the WPSocialNinja dashboard. Click on Review Platforms and scroll down to Fluent Forms Settings. Toggle the Review Must Be Manually Approved button, hit the Save Settings button, and you're done. That's it. Well, even if WPSocialNinja can show your reviews in the best possible ways, it can't change those. So focus more on getting good reviews and leave everything else to WPSocialNinja. And don't forget to subscribe so we can keep making things easier for you.